Imagine knowing your soulmate's name without ever meeting them. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that Buddhist numerology has a secret formula to reveal the name of the one destined for you? Stick around, because in just a few moments, I'm going to share with you this ancient wisdom that could change your love life forever, and you won't believe how accurate it can be. Buddhism, one of the world's oldest spiritual paths, is deeply rooted in understanding the nature of reality and finding true harmony with oneself. But did you know that Buddhist monks for centuries have studied the patterns in the universe through numbers? This is where Buddhist numerology comes in. It is an ancient practice that uses the power of numbers to reveal hidden truths about your life, your destiny, and yes, even your soulmate. The idea is simple yet profound. Every name, every word, carries a unique vibrational frequency, a specific energy. And by calculating these vibrations using numerology, we can uncover secrets about love and relationships that are waiting to be decoded. But how does it actually work? To reveal the name of your soulmate, we begin with your own name. In Buddhist numerology, every letter corresponds to a number, and each number carries its own energy and significance. For example, in the Buddhist numerology system, we convert the letters of your name into numbers. Then, we add those numbers together to find what's called your destiny number, a number that holds clues to your personality, your life path, and most importantly, the kind of partner you are naturally drawn to. Now, here's the fun part. Once you have your destiny number, you can use it to calculate the potential name of your soulmate. Think of it like a cosmic code, a unique pattern that only you and your destined partner share. To do this, you need to take your destiny number and match it with compatible numbers that align with your own vibration. Let's say your destiny number is 5. In Buddhist numerology, the number 5 represents freedom, adventure, and change. This means your soulmate is likely someone who shares these traits, and their name will also align with the number 5 or numbers that complement it, such as 1 or 7. For example, names like Alex or Robin might reduce to a 5, but it doesn't stop there. Buddhist numerology also considers the karmic and cosmic energies that flow between you and your potential partners. It's about finding balance, the yin to your yang, if you will. Here's a little-known secret. Buddhist numerology isn't just about numbers. It's also deeply connected to the concept of karma. The names we carry are not random, they're believed to be influenced by our past lives, our deeds, and the karma we accumulate. Your soulmate's name is energetically linked to yours through these karmic ties. This means that when you decode the name of your soulmate, you're also tapping into a karmic connection that transcends time and space. Your name, they're bound together by a cosmic thread that's been woven over many lifetimes. Now here's how you can apply this ancient wisdom today. Start by writing down your full name and converting each letter to its corresponding number using the chart we showed earlier. Add those numbers up until you get a single-digit number. This is your destiny number. Next, think about the kind of partner you envision in your life. What qualities do you feel naturally drawn to? Write down several names you find yourself thinking about. Convert these names into numbers and see if they align with your destiny number or are complementary. If you find a name that matches your energy number, pay attention. This could be a sign from the universe pointing you towards your soulmate. Remember, it's not just about finding a match, it's about finding harmony with someone who shares your spiritual and emotional journey. So, are you ready to uncover your soulmate's name through Buddhist numerology? Dive deeper, calculate, and open yourself up to the possibilities the universe has in store for you. Remember, this is not just about finding love. It's about finding the love that aligns with your true self. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the mystical world of Buddhist numerology. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, may your journey towards love and enlightenment be filled with wonder and joy.